I'm Michelle Sestak, an application scientist in HORIBA Scientific's Raman Applications Lab, and this is Tips and Tricks for Raman Spectroscopy. Today, we're looking at the importance of being in proper focus when acquiring Raman spectra. Here we're looking at a patterned silicon sample in focus, and if I switch to real-time display to view the signal in real time, you can see roughly 15,000 counts. If I move the stage up or down by 1 micron, you can see the signal drop from where it was previously. And if we go back to the video image, you can see that the sample is now out of focus. A trick for ensuring proper focus is to manually adjust Z until you find the maximum Raman intensity in real-time display. I'm Michelle Sestak from HORIBA Scientific, and this has been Tips and Tricks for Raman Spectroscopy. Thanks for watching.